Wise Monkey here. I'll show you how to cut a countertop using a skill saw. You don't need any special tool, just a skill saw with carbide tip. So that's the blade that has carbide tip. Some people call it diamond tip. Anyway, or it's a better one, diamond tip. You need that blade, a flat table where you can put the countertop, it's kitchen countertop or bath countertop, tape measure, a pencil, and a masking tape. The masking tape will be used to make a line where you are cutting. It's not really necessary. I have done without masking tape and it does the same work, same job, without chipping any of the countertop. But it's better to have a masking tape. So we'll be cutting along that tape. Well, basically we'll be measuring the line on that tape. So from the straight edge of the countertop to that line is 49.5. We're gonna cut it right there. Remember, this blade itself is about 1/16 of an inch. So you gotta compensate that, right? So you gotta measure it 1/16 more than the actual length. So I just marked 49.5 on this tape. So you'll be cutting along that line. So in the skill saw, make sure your blade is straight. So right now this one is straight up, vertical. So you see there's 15-degree angle and 0. 0 is the one where it should be cutting. If it's sitting, that tape is sitting straight on the, so it's like it's sitting like this, and it should cut straight there. But first, when you touch it, just make sure on the side that the blade is actually going onto the line when you are at 0. Okay, like this. So it should be about there. Or hold it on the line. And I think this one is like a tiny bit off. So make sure that's exactly at 0, not at 15, not on the other angles. Go all the way. This is the trickiest part on this side. So what I do is actually I draw a line at the back as well, and I cut it from the back. It's a lot easier to cut it from the back here. So just extend the line and cut it from the back. I'll show you in a second. Okay, now I flipped it over. This is the underside. So all the way 49.5 is marked all the way. So the biggest challenge is to go at this corner, like how to do that. So that's why flipping it over is better. And first thing I do is cut right here. Cut this corner from this side. Once we clear this corner, then rest is simple, one straight line. Blade not gonna be stuck. So make sure that the depth of the blade is at least about 1.5 inch or so, the maximum depth. That means right here, the blade is from this beam, it's as much down as possible so that it can clear that corner. Clear this corner right here. So we'll be cutting from this side and go all the way. It's a lot easier. Okay, let's give it a try. Okay, we just ran the saw upside down and went pretty okay. This side is very smooth. Let's see from this side. Well, I'll show you better. So now judgment time. Let's see if let's take the tape off slowly. tiny chip here though, so I have to address that with a little marker there. I took the blade off too early. That's why it happened. I should have run it all the way. So okay, that's how to do it. Pretty smooth otherwise. And so remember to set this to 0 and the other tilt this to 0, so that the flat part, the blade is exactly vertical. Okay, so please share and subscribe for many more useful videos.